To import and export passwords using the Google Password Manager on your Samsung Galaxy S26 is fairly simple. You're going to begin by opening up Settings, then you want to scroll and select Security and Privacy. From here, tap on More Security Settings, and then look for the option Passwords, Passkeys, and Autofill and select it. Next, you want to choose under Additional Services, Google, and from here, you just need to go ahead and scroll through until you find Google Password Manager. Then go ahead and select it. From here, you can then tap on Settings. You want to scroll until you find Export and Import Passwords. So whatever option you select, like so, just tap on Export or Import and follow through with the step-by-step process given to you on your phone to export or to import passwords. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.